In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google and ChatGPT efficiently. We'll walk through how to perform key actions on these platforms, including checking and managing your content. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on Google's main page, position your cursor on the search bar. We're going to type ChatGPT. This will bring up a list of search results with links related to ChatGPT. The search bar is an incredibly powerful tool that enables you to access a wide array of resources on ChatGPT with just a simple query. Now, look through the results and click on the ChatGPT website link. Navigating directly from Google is an easy and quick method to get where you want to be without any hassle. Once the ChatGPT homepage loads, the next step is to find the library option. This is typically located in the navigation menu, often at the top of the page. Clicking on Library will give you access to your stored conversations and images. If you've identified a photo you no longer need or want to delete, here's an important tip. To remove an image from the library, you will need to delete the entire conversation that contains it. The process may seem a bit cumbersome, but it ensures that associated data is thoroughly removed. To proceed with deleting a conversation, go to the sidebar. This sidebar displays a list of your recent conversations. Scroll through to find the specific conversation that includes the photo you wish to delete. Keep in mind that it's essential to double-check the conversation to ensure it contains the correct image. Once you have located it, you'll see an icon represented by 3 dots. Selecting this icon will present a menu. From this menu, choose the option to delete. Confirm your choice if prompted. This action will remove the conversation along with any associated attachments, including photos. After you have successfully deleted the conversation, it's a good idea to go back to the library to verify that the photo has been removed. This step ensures that the deletion process was successful and that your library reflects only the content you wish to keep. Repeat this process as necessary for any other content you wish to manage or remove. This overview provides you with a framework for effectively using Google and ChatGPT. By following these steps, you can easily manage your digital resources, ensuring your library holds only the most relevant and necessary content. Thank you for watching today's guide. I hope you found these instructions helpful and can now navigate these platforms with increased confidence and efficiency. Have a great day exploring and managing your digital world.